Are you tired of soggy sandwiches? Look no further. Today we're going to check out this VEVOR Commercial Panini Grill. Is it worth the hype, or is it really not really worth it at all? In this video, we are both going to test this out and show you how to make a spectacular Cuban sandwich. Let's start with the basics. First off, you need to mix a little mustard with some mayonnaise. Mustard and mayonnaise always go well together. Then we're going to warm up this powerful electric sandwich press, which boasts a sleek stainless design. It weighs like 5 tons, but that's because it's like a really heavy-duty commercial style. It has temperature control, and it's got a really obviously large, spacious surface. We're going to cut up our bread. We're going to layer our ham, our Swiss, our pork, some pickles on it, and then we're going to put it on the panini deck. While it's cooking, let's discuss some of the things that jump out to me, right? The build quality looks outstanding. The temperature control and performance was spot on for what I wanted. Ease of cleaning and maintenance is absolutely a thing. So for ease of cleaning, it is definitely amazing until you put some really sticky stuff on it. So I would definitely recommend using the parchment paper or some tin foil, something like that. Overall, the value for the money seems like it's off the hook. I would take these out and show you how amazing these Cuban sandwiches came out, except for some reason I screwed it up, and as you can see, it's completely out of focus. But you're going to have to take my word on it. They are absolutely amazing, and I was really impressed with this panini maker at the same time. If you have any questions either about the Cuban sandwich or the panini maker, put it in the comments below. We want to have that conversation with you. Remember to like the video, subscribe. There's probably a link right there at the bottom of the screen if you're looking for this. Hope this was helpful. We will see you next time.